Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at the 2023 Paper 1 Multiple Choice Question 5 from the Math Methods External Exam for the QCAA syllabus. Now, as you have noticed with all the exam videos, I've started splitting them up into their own videos. This is pretty much to give you a bit more variety in terms of like, if you only struggle with a certain question, you can go watch that certain video. It also allows me to unpack a question in a bit more detail rather than rushing through it in the full video. The full exam video is still on the channel, link is in the description below. If you need a Math Methods exam bundle, the link is also going to be in the description below. Now, there is a discount code that will only be applied to 10 people in the description below. It will only apply at checkout and it'll take 50% off the Math Methods External Exam bundle order. So if you want to go get that code, if you're watching this, if you're one of the first people watching this video, go see if the code still works, okay? But otherwise, let's get straight into the video here. So with this one here, all it is just determining this integral here, okay? Now, the best way to do this one here is to probably take out the number out the front first, okay? Now, when you're doing this, a lot of people do get confused how you do start these ones here. The best thing to do is to make it the least confusing and take the number 2 at the front. Now, not the number 2, technically the number a half. So you can take the number outside the integral, and then that will make that one a lot easier to integrate here. Okay. Now remember, this has to be done without a calculator as well. So we're going to be expecting like a log for our answer here. Now, we know the integral of 1 over x turns into ln of x. Okay. So in this one here, this should be no different. So it'll be a half bracket ln of x, and then you've got 1 and 3. Okay. So what we do here now is just plug in the upper bound and then subtract the lower bound. So here, if we chuck in 3, you'll have natural log of 3. Then you go minus, then chuck in the lower bound, natural log of 1. Now, there's two ways to deal with this last bit here. In my opinion, the first one is the easiest. You should know natural log of 1, or log of 1 is 0 straight away. But if you didn't know that, so if you didn't know that was equal to 0, you could divide the logs anyway. So it'd be natural log of 3 over 1, which would give you 3 anyway. So it works out either way. I reckon everyone should know log of 1 is 0 though. So here you have a half ln of 3, and that's our correct answer. So the correct answer here is D. I would say this is one of the easiest multiple choices here. But if you struggle with that one, you need to study integration a lot more. So probably specifically these ones here I would be studying if you struggle with this question here, okay? They're like an extension version of 1 over x. But yeah, link for the external exam bundle is in the description as well as the discount code. But otherwise, if you have any questions about this one here, leave something in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.